Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed.
Amber Alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Division of Emergency Management. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Conroe Police Department is searching for Derek Wayne Felder Jr., black, male, 12 years old, date of birth January 25th, 2003, 4 feet 8 eye tall, 98 lbs, black hair with mohawk-style haircut, brown eyes, and wearing black shorts and blue shirt. Police are looking for Cornelius Licks, Akachakita Joseph, black, male, 40 years old, date of birth August 10th, 1974, 5 feet 9 eye tall, 200 lbs, brown hair, brown eyes, and known to dress in women's clothing. In connection with this abduction, the suspect is driving a silver/gray 2013 Dodge Charger. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call 936-522-3200 at the Conroe Police Department. The tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic.